Hello everybody, this is Evangeline and Roscoe. Roscoe's already went to the front door, so we're gonna head back in. He's having troubles in the snow. I'm taking a little break. I was doing the driveway with the snow blower. Here you go. Yeah, it's still coming down. We're expected 5 inches, I guess. I just want to get a head start on it before it gets icy. But anyway, look at Rock. Yeah, he's starting to shiver. So let's go inside. If I don't fall. Here. Sorry, there's me. I didn't unzip because I'm starting to sweat. I was doing a backpack and then I was shoveling a little bit. So I'll go inside, thaw out for a little bit, and come back out. This shows Antonelli and Roscoe signing out, and God bless.